How to add Filecoin in Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Filecoin on a Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on a mobile device. Once you open up the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon over here. Click on it. Now again tap on search bar and search for Filecoin. You are looking to add Filecoin on your Trust Wallet app, right? Now toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage. Now again tap on Filecoin. Once you tap on it, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Click on Receive button. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive Filecoin from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Filecoin to our Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.